Hello, welcome to Gatsbygh GH. This is your girl next door if you're right. Today we are talking about OnlyFans online platform. What is OnlyFans all about? What is done on there? And who are the top earners from this platform? So let's dive into it. What is OnlyFans platform? It is a British-based lucrative side hustle online platform that has become increasingly popular for content creators and content consumers. The OnlyFans platform was established in 2016 with initial intention to focus on sex workers earning extra income from the content they produce. This platform took off big time during the pandemic in 2020 with new faces of celebrities like Blac Chyna, Thorne, Cardi B, Tyga, Bhad Bhabie, and Safaree Samuels joining the bandwagon. This online platform with its own interactive app allows its users to pay for monthly membership subscription that can range from $5 to $50 a month and as high as $200 per a photo. You know, this platform's consumers and subscribers get to enjoy explicit pictures, movies, and live streaming from their content creators or their favorite celebrities. Today, we are going to dive into the top 10 earners from this infamous OnlyFans online platform. So let's hit the ground running. Blac Chyna tops the chart. The highest paid creator on OnlyFans is Blac Chyna, who actually was, because as you know, she just deleted her account. She was born Angelina Renee White. She has grown to become one of the most popular OnlyFans celebrities with 16.2 million followers paying her $19.99 a month subscription fees to earn a whopping 20 million a month from this account. Oh my graciousness. And you know what? She had charged $200 per a photo, a nude photo. I don't know what the hell was on that photo, but I ain't paying $200 for just one damn photo. No, hell no. But anyway, she did. And from what sources say, she accumulated $240 million from OnlyFans. Oh my graciousness. There's a lot of money being made. OnlyFans platform is more or less like Sensei. It's just like Las Vegas online. Basically, that's what it is. Everything goes down there. Number 2 on the list, Thorne. Coming in second is Thorne. Thorne was born Annabella Avery Thorne. She is an actress and a singer known for Shake It Up in 2010, The Duff in 2015, Blended, and Midnight Sun. With 24 million followers on Just Fans alone, the 26-year-old and a Florida native has garnered attention for her excellent material. Number 3, Cardi B. Oh my graciousness, I can't believe this. Apparently, Cardi B shared only 6 posts on her account, and bang, she became one of the top earners on the platform with 81.7 million followers, with an estimated monthly income of 9.43 million from the apps, makes her one of the top OnlyFans creators. Each followers of hers pays $4.99 per month. Oh my God, what are some of us doing? Some of us nurses, oh my gosh, and what are we're earning peanuts, and people are just posting how many photos? And they're getting millions of dollars. I think I'm in the wrong profession. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think I'm in the wrong profession or what? Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's move on to number 4. Tyga. Let's move on to number 4. Tyga is one of the 2 top male earners on this platform. Tyga is an American rapper born Michael Ray Newen Stevenson. He had 21.8 million followers, grossing in an estimated $7.9 million a month. He deleted his account following a new revamp of policy when OnlyFans CEO revamped their policy to put restrictions on to the extent of nudity photos or videos that the content creators can upload. And when When Tyga heard this, he just deleted his account to create a competitive account whereby he just allowed every content, no matter what it is, from head to toe. So God knows what else goes on to that platform. And on his platform, he is going to be sharing videos of his music albums, behind the scenes, intimate photos and videos, and many more for a monthly subscription of $20 a month. Why not? The world has become a consuming inhabitant, and why not cash in whilst you can? Congratulations to Tyga on his new entrepreneurship venture. Our next one is Mia Khalifa. Mia Khalifa is a Lebanese American TV personality who also brings in 6.42 million a month of income from sharing her content alone. Apparently, Mia Khalifa is a former webcam model. What is that? I've never heard of a webcam model before. Does anybody know? Please share it in the comment below. This former webcam model grows in $6.42 million a month with followers of 22.7 million followers and a subscription fee of $12.99. That's Mia Khalifa for you. She's very young, bringing in all this money from just posting photos and videos. I don't know what else goes on behind doors, but hey, what I see is what I bring. So our next one on the top list is Erica Mena. Erica Mena brings in $4.49 million a month. Who is Erica Mena? She is an American TV personality and a former video vixen, a former model and video vixen who has gained 5.3 million followers after promoting her OnlyFans account on Instagram. This giving her $4.49 million per month. Oh my gosh. The next one is Gemma McCourt. Gemma McCourt is among the most popular OnlyFans account with $28 million in annual earnings. It means the account owner makes over $2.3 million per month. She charges $30 as a monthly subscription fee from over 1 million subscribers. Guys, I think I'm just gonna rethink about my profession. You know, so OnlyFans. So as I said before, this account was created for, to help out the sex traders, right? To help out just so that they can make extra income from their content, they share it online. However, it's grown to become a place for all. Fitness gurus are there, boxers are there, chefs are there, like anything that you can tweak it a little bit to make it more appealing to your audience. Funny videos are there, comics, everything. So long as you can get people to hook onto your account, you can make money from this thing. But I don't know, I've never gone there before, so I'm not sure to what you have to do to get there. But anyway, I guess you have to just create an account and maybe just follow their policies. Let's move on. Samuel OnlyFans account brings in $1.91 million a month. Hey, Safaree Samuels, a Jamaican American rapper, songwriter, entrepreneur, and TV presenter. He has 3.2 million followers on OnlyFans alone. Each subscriber pays a monthly fee of $15 to watch sexually explicit videos, thus giving him around $1.91 million every month. I will say cumulatively, the OnlyFans platform brings in a total of $65.46 million per month for these top 10 users. Oh my graciousness! And Tyga has deleted his account. Blac Chyna has deleted her account. So it makes Bella Thorne the highest earned OnlyFans account holder. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying this so far, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Share your comments, and share this content. Share this video to spread the news. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Adios. See you another time.